Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make Ghanaian Shito. Ghanaian Shito is a very spicy sauce, but its spiciness is totally dependent on you. We have the mild Shito, medium Shito, and very hot Shito. I am going to be making mild Shito. Here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have some white onions, red onions, shallots. I've got some ginger, some garlic cloves, red chilies. I have some herring powder, some prawns powder, some aniseed and rosemary mixed together. I have some salt, some tomato paste, some coconut oil for nice flavor, and I've got my all-pepper seasoning. Let's get all this together. Guys, so first and foremost, I blended all my ingredients off camera. I did this to save you some time because trust me, it took so much time to do all these blendings. So doing it off camera was the best thing. I blended all my veggies, my white onion, red onion, my garlic cloves, my ginger, my shallots, and my dried chilies. Yes, guys, these things have all been blended as you can see on the camera. Guys, remember I mentioned that I'm making mild Shito. Yes, my family doesn't have very good tolerance for very spicy Shito. So this being mild Shito, I'm not going to add habanero pepper. If you want your Shito to be medium or very hot, remember that adding habanero pepper is very essential. Firstly, I'm making sure that the oil I'll be using is heated up. This oil was used to fry fish the previous day, so I'm using my fish oil. It's also going to add more flavor to my shito. That's why you can see it looks like that. That's because it was used to fry fish. Yes, so the first thing I will be doing is to warm up my oil, add some coconut oil to it because you want the flavor to be amazing. Guys, if you don't have fish oil, do use your normal oil with some coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can also use just your normal oil. It is all absolutely fine. My oil is heated up now, so I'll go in with my blended veggies. Give it a good stir and let it cook for about 5 minutes because you want all the water in the veggies to evaporate. Guys, as you can see, all the water has evaporated and now I'm going in with my tomato paste. Some people make their shito without tomato paste, but I like to use the paste because it makes it have that kind of stew-like taste. So it's totally optional. After cooking for some minutes now, guys, I'm going in with my dried blended chili flakes. Yes, guys, this is a very important ingredient when you're making shito. I like to have it in my shito, especially because I'm making mild shito and I'm not adding any habanero pepper to it. Okay guys, it's time to add some more oil to my shito. I'm adding some more coconut oil. Now it's time to go in with the rest of my ingredients and leave my shito to cook for about 20 minutes. Guys, at this stage, I need to add some more oil to my shito, but clearly I need to change my pot or transfer my shito into 2 pots. I have done that now to give my shito some more space to cook well. As you can see, I have added some more oil to my shito. Remember that cooking shito requires lots of oil. Shito without oil is not going to last for very long because you need the oil to preserve the shito. So yes, I had to divide it into 2 pots and add some more oil. At this stage, I'll just let the shito cook for some more minutes and it is done. That is all, guys. Cooking shito does not take much time. This is all that you need when making shito. Alright guys, as you can see now, my shito is ready and now I can go ahead and turn off my cooker. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Oh my god, this shito smells amazing, guys. The smell, as you can see from it, it tastes and smells amazing. Remember to always taste your shito for salt because you need to make sure that the salt is to your taste. The shito taste and smells amazing because of the coconut oil, the fish oil I used, and all those amazing seasonings. Do not forget to like this video, comment on it, and subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Bee's Global Kitchen. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.